Okay, so this video shows you how to make a time plot, and we'll do that using the data from Barry Bonds' home run record, since we've been talking about that. So first is we want to make that list. So I click Stat 1 for edit, and then I arrow up and then arrow over and go down to the end. This blank one here, hit enter, and then type in B-A-R-Y for Barry Bonds, hit enter, and then I'll enter in his home runs, so 16, 25, and so on. Okay, so I've entered in all his home runs, and after I do that, I want to make another list for the year, because I'm going to need the time for time plot, obviously. So I'm going to go all the way up to the heading, and then arrow key over to the right, and then hit enter, and I'll type in YR for year. And then I just type in the year. So he got 16 in 1986, and he got 25 in 1987, etc., etc., and I'm going to fill out this list. Okay, so once I have all of the data, his home runs, and I have the years at which they occurred, I'm going to go to Stat Plot. So I go to second Stat Plot, and then for one I'll hit enter. And you really have two choices. You can either do this first one, which has the data points that aren't connected, or the second one here, which has the data points connected. I'll do the second one for now. For XList, that's the x-axis. That should be the years. So to do that, I'm going to just move my cursor there and do second list. And I think I chose YR was the name of that list. So just scroll down until I find YR. I have a lot of lists here. Let's see, where is YR for year? I guess it's alphabetical, so it's going to be down here at the end. Okay, there we are, YR. So I'll hit enter. That's the year. And then I'll arrow down to the Y list, again do second list. Now once I get to here, if I know what I called the list, instead of having to arrow down all the way, it's kind of annoying, I can just do alpha B, because I remember I named it B-A-R-Y, alpha B, and then it'll jump to my B's, and then I see number 9 is Barry, so I'll hit enter. And now you can see the X list is YR, those are the years, the Y list is BARY, and instead of choosing this marker, I'm going to choose the smaller one since I'm connecting the dots anyway. I don't want them to be that big. And then I can hit graph, and you can do zoom 9 to fit it exactly. But if you do that, if you look at the window, the x-coordinates are supposed to be years, so 1984.2 is kind of a weird year. So let's change that to 1985. That's the year before he started playing, actually. And we'll do 2005 as the max. That's the year after he stopped. And the x scale will make 1. The y minimum we can make 0, no home runs. And the maximum, he had 73. Let's make it 80. Those numbers make more sense in the context of our data. And then hit graph. And then you can see that just glancing at this, it does look like there's a trend over time, which looks like he's increased his home run performance as the year has gone by. Of course, there's some fluctuation from year to year, and this is here he got 73. We can hit trace, and then it'll tell us this point here is 1986. He got 16 home runs. And then in 87 he got 25, and et cetera, et cetera. It can sort of move through the list. And let's go back to where was his all-time. So in 2001 he got 73. So in this case the time plot does look like it shows a trend. That's how you make a time plot.